Today I want to go over assignment collections in the teacher interface.
Assignment collections are a great way for teachers to save and reuse their projects, tests, quizzes, and homework assignments from year to year.
To get started, you'll want to add templates to your collections. So let's create one right now. Start by adding an assignment title. In this case, we're going to add a reading exam. Add a description. Set the type as well as the grading style, and click Add as Template to Collection.
This will open up the tags field. You can utilize tags in order to keep your collection organized, but keep in mind they're completely optional.
In this case, I'm going to type in reading. Once you've added the appropriate tags, click Add Template. You should see some green confirmation text in the lower right, so now let's move on to accessing these assignments. From a blank assignments page, click on the folder icon in the upper left corner. Here you can see the template that we just created. In the upper right, you'll see a tags bar. This is to search and sort for assignments once your collection has grown in size. By clicking on the assignment, you can populate that information into your current assignment fields. So for example, if I wanted this to be reading exam 2, I'd make the appropriate modifications, change the date accordingly, and then click Save and go to Gradesheet. If you want to update the template or add these modifications as a new template, use the appropriate checkbox. Next is another helpful tool in assignment collections, the sharing feature. Click on the icon in the upper left again, and then click on the sharing dropdown. Here you can see other staff members who are currently sharing their collection, as well as toggle whether or not you'd like to share your collection. If this box is checked, other staff members can see the collection that you have created.
Finally, if you'd like to edit or remove any of your existing templates, open up the assignment collection folder and click Edit List. If you'd like to delete one, click the trash icon and then click Yes. You should see a green confirmation message below. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete all assignments that utilize the template, it just deletes the template itself. If you'd like to return to the normal assignment entry screen, simply click Cancel.